Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need two things first: the latest Instagram app and your phone's system dark mode enabled. Open Settings, turn on dark mode, then launch Instagram. Once done, go to your profile, tap the menu, and select Settings. Make sure you use the same account. Switching accounts can reset theme behavior. If Instagram shows no theme option yet, prepare to force the app to follow system appearance. Keep the app open while you proceed to the next steps. Now force Instagram to accept dark mode. On iOS, confirm display and brightness is dark and relaunch the app. Instagram will usually follow system appearance. On Android, switch display to dark theme. If Instagram ignores it, enable developer options and set night mode or force dark for apps. Once done, clear Instagram cache or restart your phone to apply changes. Make sure to relaunch Instagram fully, not from background, because a full restart often pushes the theme change through. Finish by checking Instagram settings theme and choosing dark if available. Otherwise, the app should already reflect system dark mode. If it does not, update or reinstall Instagram, then log out and back in. Once done, verify on another device to isolate the problem. A key troubleshooting tip: if Instagram stubbornly stays light, clear app data or cache, then restart the phone. This resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, wait for the next app update. Sometimes servers enable features gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.